Say hello to my friends. They're very nice people. Hi everybody, I'm back with an unboxing video. I'm super excited to see what's in this one because it's Frankies Bikinis as per usual, but it's clothing like this one. And I am, oh my god, this is so comfy and I'm so like in love with this set. Like it makes me so ready for spring. Like I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder, but it's like, it's just so comfy. Like I don't think you understand. You clearly don't because you're not wearing it, but it's just the perfect balance between like warm and flowy, so it's still not like thick and like too hot, so you can wear it in the spring but still be warm when it gets a little chilly at the end of the day. Like I'm in love with it, and I've been wanting like a white set with shorts. And yeah, so super long intro talking about this set, but yeah, that's basically what we're doing today. Just an unboxing for their like knits and sweat sets, I think. I'm not really sure what else we have in there, but I guess we'll take a look and see what we got. Don't mind if I do dig into this giant box I have on the floor of my room. So obviously I already went over the one that I'm wearing right now. It's the Aiden hoodie with the burl sweatshirt, and like I said, it's like just the perfect balance between breathable and warm, because you know it's perfect for like warmer weather. I obviously like wouldn't wear this full set right now in Michigan where it's like 10 degrees, but the hoodie I could probably get away with. Definitely not the shorts. If you wear shorts in 10-degree weather in Michigan, you're insane. So what do we have here? Little pouchy, sorry, crinkly, this like pouchy bag. Oh, I think this is like their skincare or something. Yeah, this is their glow mist, a soothing lightweight face mist. What, did I say that right? A soothing lightweight face mist made to instantly clarify and boost the complexion for luminous skin on the go. Cute. This packaging, so cute. Glow moisturizer, and what is this, like a blush? Yeah, glow tint, as they say. And that's all I have in this little bag here. This bag is really cute. It's like a terry cloth or something. So that's cool. We have these now. I think I'll do like first impressions review on this, because I don't know if we can trust this, but it seems pretty simple and like harmless, so should be cool. And it's cool because it's cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and no artificial fragrance. Kind of checks all my boxes there, so I might trust it, but we'll try it. Next, we have the Zoe knit cardigan. I wonder what kind of material this is. I'm intrigued. Let's see. Oh, okay, so sorry, I'm facing the wrong way. It's a very long button-down cardigan. See? It's pretty thick, actually. It looks thin, but it's actually pretty thick. These beautiful, like, blue tie-dye colors. I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe not. Okay. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm fine. I'm fine. What do we have here? This is the Aiden knit hoodie in a pink, purple, yellow, blue color. It's kind of a mix of everything. What size is this, first of all? This is small. Okay. Same fabric. It's still nice and thick, actually. It's like this rainbow color. It's got every color in here. Very soft pastel. Really cute. Could you see this on me? Maybe? Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, it looks like we got the crew neck that goes along with like this white set too. This is the Benny crew neck, and it's basically this hoodie but in a crew neck version. Oh, it's one size fits all. And it's like, for me, it'd be a little oversized, which I love. Like the sleeves go yeah, they're long and it's pretty baggy and I love it. I like how subtle their labeling is, like in the middle. It's just like imprinted on there and not really like in your face, like loud and everything. So yeah, so cool. That's it. That is it. It's a very short unboxing today. I thought it'd be more for some reason. Let's try on what we got today and I will see you in just a second. So I know we already saw this set, you know, because I've been wearing it this whole video, but I think I wanted to go a little bit more in depth on like the details of how it looks and everything. So it has like their Frankies Bikinis logo right there, and same goes for the shorts on the left side. And then the shorts have pockets, so that's awesome. And there's like these little slits on the shorts there. So here we have the crew neck. And I actually like this fit a lot better than the hoodie because it's the oversized fit. This only comes in one size. It just, you know, one size fits all, I guess. Certainly it's not very body inclusive if you ask me. But it's still like oversized for the more like petite to average girls. But yeah, it's really simple, just like the hoodie. Same print, like stitching here, and that's it. This is very comfy. It's very long. I love the blue colors. Blue is my favorite color of all time, but it's hard for me to really show how long this actually is, so I'm gonna try a little something here. So, how does that look? It goes down to my knees, right there. I am 5'2", for height reference. Yeah, what is this called? I forgot what this hoodie is called, but oh my god, it is soft. It's a beautiful knit. It's not like itchy or anything. It's got stretch, beautiful colors. I don't think, me personally, oh, it's a good hood. I don't like hoods that are like too short, you know? I like ones that like fully go over my face, you know? If that makes sense. Alright, my beautiful babes, that is all I have for you guys today. Thanks for joining me again on this unboxing video. And there will be another unboxing soon, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and happy Valentine's Day!